Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is Saturday morning. It's time to do our market recap. Market closed at 41.80.17, and before I continue, I want to make sure to tell you to hit that like button, hit subscribe. That way, when the new content comes out, you get first dibs on it. All right, so 41.80.17 is what the market closed at. Last week we closed around a similar price, around 41.85 or so last week. The record high is still the same, 41.94.17. You can see during the week we kind of struggled a little bit, and we bounced back on Friday where we closed near those highs once more. So as you can see, the market has continued to trend pretty nicely here. Our 20-day moving average has been held up. Last time we hit our 50 is when we got that nice spike and we pushed through in order to get towards our target. Remember, the target was 4,200 and it's only about $6 away from, as far as the high is concerned. Right now we're about $20 away. So S&P still continues to look good. I don't have any signals showing right now that things are going to make some type of reversal. So let's keep the party going. If you don't see one, don't create one. That is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell. Ticker IWM. Last week, if you remember, I was concerned only if 220 got hit and closed below. So what it did during this week is it actually did test that 220, pushed a little bit below, and then all of a sudden now it pushed towards those highs. I think we're going to see a continuation to push through to make it to 230 next week, and I think that we are going to get to our target of 250. That has been a target, and I think we're going to end up getting there. So we're going to keep this one short and simple. We're going to enjoy our week because you only got so many days of your life. Make sure you go enjoy that. Too many things I've seen in the news where people did not get a chance to see more. So if you got that chance, enjoy your time. All right. So until next week, we'll catch you later. All right. Peace.